Hello, everyone. I'm Ryohei Onishi, and this is Understanding the SDGs on Interpreter's Take. And this is a sixth video. It's titled Sustainability and Biodiversity. Biodiversity. Have you ever heard of biodiversity, this word? This word has two parts. Bio, which it means animals, plants, humans, the living things. And diversity means many people, many types, many things. Not one type, but 2, 3, 4, many types. So in this video, we will talk about how important biodiversity is, how important it is to have many types of humans, many types of plants, many types of animals, many types of insects, and so on. So this is biodiversity. This is a keyword for today's video. Okay? So, yes, this is the table of contents for today. First, we will look at what SDG 12.3 say. This is one target of the SDGs. Next, I will talk about my job with Genuine Education Network. I did interpretation with Genuine Education Network. It's my client. And next, what is composting? Have you ever heard of composting? This is a very good idea. And next is what is biodiversity? I have already talked about biodiversity, and we will talk about why we need biodiversity. Okay? Yes, that's the last one. So let's go to the first item. What does SDG 12.3 say? It says that we need to reduce global food loss to half. Half is 50%. So how much food loss, food waste do we have in the world? Do you know the answer? The answer is 1/3 of food produced in the world is wasted. So, for example, let's say we have 100 foods, but we make 100, but we eat only 67%. 67% is 2/3, right? And 1/3, this one, 1/3, 33% is wasted. We do not eat this 33%. This is a waste. This is a very big problem. We need to take actions. So SDG 12 says responsible consumption and production. Consumption means to use or to eat something, to use something. We need to use something in a better way. We need to eat food in a better way. Okay? So this is a food loss problem, a very big challenge. So let me talk about my job, my interpretation with Genuine Education Network, or GEN, or GEN for short. So they are educators. They educate people about the importance of biodiversity. And in this picture here, they did a live talk event. They held an event about biodiversity and many other things. This is the first live talk event. I did interpretation for 2 hours. It was tough. And this is the second event. I also did interpretation for almost 2 hours. So there are a lot of different experts from around the world. And this person is Carlo Nessler. He is from Italy. And this person is also from Italy. And this person is from Japan. They are working to improve the biodiversity in the world. Okay, so yes, so we had people from Japan, and the person, this person was the MC facilitator from Hawaii, and we had people from Italy, and we had other people from different countries. So this live talk event was really a global, really international event. And I did interpretation between Japanese and English, but Italian people spoke in Italian, of course. So there are 3 languages: Italian, Japanese, and English. So if we have 3 languages, we need relay interpreting. So let's talk about relay interpreting for a second. Do you know relay? Relay is like one person giving the button and to another person, and you run. You give it to the next person. You run. You give it, right? This is relay. And when we do interpretation, we also do relay interpretation. For example, Italian person speaks Italian language, and this is interpreted into English first, right? And I hear English, and then I translate from English to Japanese, right? So from Italian to English, and English to Japanese. This is relay interpretation. It's interesting, right? And when we speak in Japanese, we speak Japanese first, and I translate into English, and English goes to Italian next. So Japanese, English, and Italian. This is relay interpreting. This is so cool. This is so interesting. Okay, so let's go back to biodiversity topic. So in this live talk series, they talked about the importance of composting. What is composting, right? This word compost means to post. Post means throw or to put something. And com means together. So to put something, to put many different things together in one box. This is the meaning of composting. Put many things together in one box. This is composting, okay? And what happens if we have a compost? If we have a compost with different microbes, microbes are really small living organisms. They're very small things. They actually do decompose, break down food into nutrition. So these are the examples of composting. There are many microbes, small microbes inside the soil, inside the compost. And these microbes do a great job because microbes break down the food waste. As I said, food waste is 33% of the food production. So it's a lot. And microbes, small organisms, do a great job by breaking down food waste into nutrition. So they are great. So we need a lot of composting because we have a food loss problem. We need to improve. Okay, so this is composting. Okay. Next, composting is important, but we need to have a lot of microbes, different types of microbes into the compost. Why? Because one type of microbe is not enough. Two types of microbes is good, but three types of microbes are even better. Four types, even better. Five types, even better. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So more types, more different types of microbes, the better it is in composting. So this is biodiversity, okay? Oh, I'm sorry. My rice cooker just finished cooking. Okay, so biodiversity is so important because more types of microbes, the better it is. And you see that biodiversity is not only for composting. It's not only about composting, it's also about biodiversity under the sea, under the water. When you go to sea, you see that biodiversity. We need to have diversity of animals. We need to have biodiversity of plants. We need to have biodiversity of sea animals. So everywhere we need to have biodiversity. Why? Because it's better and we are stronger when we have diversity. Okay? All right. So biodiversity, this is the keyword today. Why do we talk about biodiversity? It's because we can improve the food loss problem. Remember, 33% is wasted. We need to improve. And biodiversity can help that. And if we have biodiversity, 2 is better than 1. 3 is better than 2, okay? So biodiversity makes us stronger and makes the planet stronger, okay? So that's it for today's video. I hope you learned something about biodiversity. Thank you so much. Bye-bye.